Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langar Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about Favorsky rearrangement. So what is inside Favorsky rearrangement? So we know that this is rearrangement. So this is the substrate and this is the products. What happened here? This 6-member ring converted into 5-member ring, and that is the beauty of this reactions. So ring contractions means this is the ring large ring and this is the contract ring. This is 6-member ring and this is 5-member. A typical Favorsky rearrangement involves reactions of an alpha haloketone. This is alpha position, so alpha haloketone with a base to give an ester or carboxylic acid. In the presence of base, you will get this ester. So this is an examples of Favorsky rearrangement. So what types of substrate you need? Alpha haloketones. So labeling studies have shown that the 2 alpha carbon in the starting ketone become equivalent during the course of the reaction. That is important point. This means that a symmetrical intermediate must be formed. So what is the mechanisms? You can see this base is approaching these protons through this curved line. So nucleophile attack on this proton and same time these electrons forming a bond between carbon-carbon, you see, and there is a 5-member ring and this 3-member ring, and later on again base attack on this carbonyl carbon and making such type of arrangement, and then this carbon-carbon bond will break and then form this 5-member ring, and after this base again trapping this proton and methoxide is forming and then product will form. So clearly you can see in this mechanism what will happen. OH minus approaching this proton, negative charge is here, this negative charge attack on this carbon and then Cl remove and this bond will form, and that is important part. That one is important parts. You need 5-member ring and 3-member ring, and 3-member ring you know not stable. So H minus attack on this carbon and this double bond shifted on oxygens and forming such type of situation, and breaking of carbon-carbon bond and shifting of negative charge and forming carbon oxygen double bonds, and then this negative is neutralized with this proton and base will remove, and this is the 5-member carboxylic acid. We started from alpha haloketones. So this is the Favorsky reactions and their mechanism. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.